Good morning. My name is Matthew, and I'm with the global marketing team at FocalScope. I'm here today to discuss how to use service level agreements, or SLAs, within FocalScope. Many of today's best performing companies manage and exceed their customers' expectations by defining, measuring, and adhering to SLAs. With that in mind, FocalScope has the ability to incorporate your SLA requirements into your email management system. Once an email enters the FocalScope email management system, it is immediately tracked by its ticket number and any relevant SLAs. In today's video, let's see how FocalScope can help you manage, meet, and exceed your SLAs. Before we can accurately measure our performance vis-a-vis our SLAs, we need to set up our working hours. FocalScope's smart functionality will then be able to give us an accurate measurement of how long a ticket has been open in real time. We'll again go into the administration screen and scroll down to the SLA configuration tab. Here we'll be presented with two folders: Working Hours Profiles and SLA Profiles. Let's go ahead and select Working Hours Profiles. In the right pane, we'll see a list of our Working Hours Profiles. Please note that we can create different Working Hours Profiles for different groups, as we have here. This is especially useful if, for example, our billing department has different hours of operation from our customer support team. Let's look more in depth at our profile from our customer support team by right-clicking and selecting Properties. In the Properties window, we'll have a full range of options to set our standard working hours. You can see that we've set our time zone to 8 hours ahead of GMT and our working hours as Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. The time zone feature allows you to manage SLAs for different customer support groups who may be working in different locations around the world. Clicking on the Holidays or Exceptions tab allows us to set holidays or special events that affect our hours of operation. We can see that we have set New Year's Day, January 1st, as a full day exception since our office will be closed. Now that we reviewed our working hours profiles, let's go ahead and look at our SLA profiles. Now that we've clicked on the SLA Profiles tab in the left pane, we'll see a list of the available SLA profiles on the right. We can set as many SLAs as we wish. In our example here, we have set SLA profiles for 4, 6, 8, and 24 hours. Our SLA engine begins to calculate time from the moment the ticket is received. In order to look at the functions available, let's right-click on our 4-hour SLA and select Properties. In this Properties window, we'll see that we have the option to rename the SLA and, underneath, select the actions to be done once we have reached the 4-hour threshold from the ticket being opened. We can select one or more actions to be automatically done. In our case, we have selected two actions: that the email message and ticket be highlighted in gold, and a copy of the ticket be displayed in the overdue ticket box. In addition to these options, we can also alert a manager or supervisor in his or her alert folder or send an email to a specific person. Please note that we can create any number of events to take place, scheduled independently based on the amount of time the ticket has been open. We can also select the Report box to include any tickets that exceed the 4-hour SLA into our Reports functionality. Let's now return to our workspace to see how we can apply these profiles to a specific ticket box. We want to apply our working hours and SLA values to a specific ticket box called Customer Service, so we'll scroll down to it in the left pane. Let's right-click on this ticket box and choose Properties. Once we're in the Properties window, let's select the SLA tab. Here we can choose the appropriate working hours and SLA profiles. So let's select the working hours as we previously set up as our customer support profile. Then let's go down to the SLAs and select the 4-hour SLA. Once we press OK, our changes will be saved and all current emails and future emails routed to this ticket box will be subject to the SLAs we have just set up. We can create an SLA notification folder in this ticket box too. Right-click on the ticket box and select New Folder, and then scroll down to SLA Notifications. In this window, we can give the folder a name and a description. All tickets current and future flagged by our SLA criteria will be copied to this folder. But in this case, we've already created one, so let's click on it here, and we'll instantly see all of our outstanding SLA issues. Please view our video on standard responses for more information on how you can automatically insert SLAs with placeholders into email replies to customers, informing them of when to expect a reply. Together with FocalScope, managing your team's SLAs has never been simpler. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions about the SLA functionality, please contact your FocalScope representative or contact us directly at www.focalscope.com. We are always working on new and innovative ways to improve FocalScope's functionality and experience for our users. We welcome your suggestions. Thank you for your time and interest in FocalScope.